Honey? Duke! Honey, where are you? What's this? I love you too, honey. To watch myself.
Floxy baby.
Yes, darling.
It was a nice time out with you today.
Same here, darling. I had fun.
I did have fun too. So, can we do this again?
Really?
Yes.
Wow. That would be nice. I can't wait. Okay, so what time precisely? When am I seeing you?
I will update you.
Alright then. I can't wait. Alright, darling.
Alright, take care.
Hi, my milk. How are you?
Just put it right there. What are you pretense for? Eh? Do I look like a fool to you? Or a piece of furniture that you just bought for my parents?
Baby, what are you saying?
You don't understand. What is it that you don't understand? Don't even try to lie to me because I saw everything. Tell me, Duke, who was she?
Why are you screaming? Why all these questions? Oh, because I dropped off a friend? Is that why you're screaming?
Oh my God. A friend? You call that a friend, Duke? A girl you were almost kissing. She's a friend. Oh. Duke, who are you? Duke, who are you? Just tell me, who are you? Who are you? That is the one I got married to. Oh my God, you don't even have to tell me anything. You are not even a king. You are not. Duke, come back! Duke, come back here! Duke, where are you going? Duke, I'm sorry. Where are you going? Duke, I'm not fine. You can't leave me now. Duke, I'm sorry now. I said I'm sorry. Duke, please now. I'm sorry. Duke.
Yay! You are welcome to my home, sweetie.
Oh, this is your house?
Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you, lovely. Thank you.
Oh. I like already.
Thank you. Come on, come here. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What's going on here?
Come on, don't mind anyone.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. You shouldn't be inside the room with my husband.
You shut up. Anyways, where is the way to the kitchen? I'll help myself.
Where do you think you are going to? Come back! Where do you think you are going to? This is my house! Where are you going to?
I'm hungry.
What are you doing in my kitchen? Huh?
Why are you scaring me? You, what are you doing here? Huh? Anyways, I'm hungry and I'm looking for wheat. Do you have wheat? Do you have semo? Do you have anything to eat? Just go and help me out. This place is yeah.
Why don't you go back to wherever you are coming from and get yourself food? Shameless harlots like you. Why do you want to ruin my marriage?
Did I hear you say marriage? Take a good look at you. Who is the harlot here? You look more like an harlot. And as for marriage, are you married to Duke? Oh no, Duke never told me he was married. In fact, I actually told you he's maid because you look like a maid.
Ah, damn you!
Our blood and divinity. Our blood and divinity.
Brothers, why don't we build this sepulchre somewhere else? I don't buy the idea of...
This is the best place for a sepulchre. By the next full moon, the gods of Orile will grant you your wishes. And by the time we open the sepulchre, everywhere will be filled with riches, wealth, money, and you will be rich. Come on, be a man and kill her. Do it.
Riches.
Riches.
We plead with our blood and divinity. We plead with our blood and divinity. We plead with our blood and divinity.
Please don't kill me. 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 Who wants to kill you? I saw her. I saw Rachel's ghost.
See who?
Well, you have to believe me. I saw her. Will you shut up your mouth? You see? You keep drinking and drinking and drinking and now you are seeing things. Oh my goodness, can you imagine? It's so real. My friend, will you get out of this place? I said get out! Can you imagine? He saw Rachel. There's no time. It is a night of celebration. The hour of harvest has come. Riches!
Riches! Riches!
Open. What? What? There is nothing in here. She's gone.
I can't believe this.
That means Kefas was right when he said he saw a ghost. Rachel has resurrected for vengeance.
Resurrected for vengeance?
Can't you see? She's not there!
Lori, what are you saying? Are you saying that a dead body that we kept here, someone came to steal it? How can a dead body resurrect? How manage?
If she's not in there, this can only mean one thing. We are all in danger. I'm out of here.
We have to leave.
Did you see her? Yes, I saw her with my 2 eyes. She's everywhere. Yes, listen, there is fire on the mountain, and the best we can do now is run. Yes.
Yes. Whoa!
There's no need to fight. Boys, in short, it's over for today's game. You all, let's go. Eyes on you, man. Watch your back. Let me get you on this campus. Watch your back. Watch it. Fuck, man. Yeah.
Fuck. What the hell just happened now?
Cheated.
Who cheated? I watched you.
Better watch your back, man. Watch it. Let's go, man.
Let's go. Okay, girls. What are we?
Sugar Francis.
What are we?
Sugar Francis.
Okay, first we're going to our stretch out and we're going like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, you guys are welcome to today's rehearsal. First of all, we are going to be having our first move, and our first move is going to go like this. Like this. You're going to put your right hand on your cheek like this, and your left hand on your waist, and you're going to go like this. 1, 2. You're going to go down, and 3. You're going to put your hand like this as if you want to clap, and 4. You're going to push. 5. You're going to open up, and 6. We're going to swing down. And 7, we're going to go like this. And 8, we're going to show what.
Wow, Sugar Francis. You're a badass bitch.
You can say it again. I believe we can go one more time, right?
Yeah, for real.
Okay, let's see how far we can go.
Okay.
Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
wow, I always know you're a badass bitch. Like,
Where did you get it from? Wow, that was so. I'm sure Ari is gonna be at tomorrow's party.
You
So
can say that again.
Brian is calling us. So really, whatever. I don't know what it's gonna be like. Sometimes we'll talk about.
Yeah, see you later. Hey, so how are you today?
I'm doing great, as you can see.
So where are you going to?
I have class now. See, in a hurry.
Rachel, please, I have something to tell you.
What do you want to say? Do you want to tell me stories of how you broke up with your girlfriend? Or what else do you want to say?
Please. Oh, you want me to prove it to you?
Okay, prove it.
Okay, see, Rachel, I love you.
Harry! Harry, how dare you?
It's not what you think. I was just...
You think you can play with me, right? Harry, you're just a disappointment, but trust me, I'm going to treat you for... Babe, I'm back for you. You know what's your problem? You don't know what you want. Excuse me. Sarah. Save it!
The last time we were here, we talked about the shared sequel card. Can someone actually tell me what the sequel card is? Anyone?
A sepulchre can be a house of God, a house of...
Sit down! Anybody else? Who? You?
Ma, according to your last class, a sepulchre is a graveside of a saint, and we have different types of sepulchre. We have the Rachel sepulchre, we have the Saint Philip sepulchre, and we have the Saint Anthony sepulchre.
That's a brilliant one. Put your hands together for her. Well, we are going to talk about Rachel's sepulchre. It happens many years ago. A young girl called Rachel was murdered by someone she loved so much, and her body was used as sacrifice to their deity called Azira, whom they worshipped. Then something happened. Well, that will be for another class.
What happened?
That will be your assignment. Go to the library and do a research about what happened. See you in the next class.
Too much question.
This is Cookie, this is not fair.
I don't like the family. You can't be a family. Everything first.
When you were running your mouth, baby. You can spice me and don't cuss me, Abi. I'm the one that told you to answer wrong questions. And you answered the question wrongly. Shut up! Stand there, stay here. Excuse me, let me go. Are you mad? Are you talking to me? Babe, can you hear her talk? Please let me go. I have an assignment and I have class. Excuse me. Not when I'm still talking. Okay, tell me. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What I want? I will show you what I want. Babe. Oh. That's what. Next time you try that. Be careful. Don't play with us. We are watching you. I swear, you don't get free from this. I'm going to report you to authority.
Hey, I got a number, put it on my cell phone. All these bitches wanna put a hell no.
Wow, look what we have here. What a beauty.
Excuse me.
Can I know your name at least, please?
What can I do for you?
All these niggas want me, all these bitches want me, all these bitches going so crazy, fucking honey. Listen to this, I be steady swerving on the go-kart beach.
Don't worry, you don't need to do anything for me, okay? I can do a lot of hair for you.
See, please, as you can see, I'm on my way going somewhere.
You again? Brian!
Guys, go get him! Get him now!
I ain't gonna tell you, bro. No. Why this?
Guys, you all are a bunch of disappointments.
Did you see what they did?
They just defeated you again.
Fuck me, my head.
Let's go. I said now.
What's your name? I'm so sorry, Sha.
Oh, I don't see my name, oh. After all the stress and all the suffering, eh? I don't understand. What is this? Now what is all this? Ah, no, I need to see the school of game.
Let's go. I have to see them. Whether they like it or not, I am going to that already.
Brian, I've seen my name. Yeah. Wait, I can't find my name.
I've seen my name. Yes. Alright. My name today. This girl will be something I've been waiting for.
Yes, long
awaiting. Let me check now. Wait, I'm going with this group of people that are. But I'm so happy. Oh my God! You know where we must go. You see my name for you. Come on.
Let me check my bed. Help me and check somewhere and look for my name.
Oh, your name is here. Your name is here. Your name is here. Take it out.
Oh God.
Wow. Already.
Maybe you should go with them.
Why are you talking like that?
Don't even touch me. We are no longer in the school premises. Go after your cereal and leave me alone. Excuse me.
I think this is getting interesting, Charlie. I think it's that time you tell me your aim about this case. Who do you want? Tell me.
Not again.
Well, we're in here, okay? I'll get the gate. I'll meet you inside.
What is it?
I'm tired.
What are you tired of?
We have been cutting through this bush since, and I've been the one using this cutlass to cut all the bush in this forest. Someone should take a turn now. As for me, I'm very tired, and I need to smoke some cannabis.
Man, keep quiet. Cannabis will kill you one day. Bet it. Give me this thing. And I even wonder who brought this crazy idea of cutting through forest and what I don't know anyway.
It was Jack's lazy head. Also big mouth for lazy bones.
Call me that again!
Stop it, guys! Stop it! We should be fighting our way out of this place. Instead of fighting like kids. Let's move.
Not over there.
Stop tickling me.
You know I love you, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. Yeah,
I love you too.
I'm kind of original, so you can just see.
What if somebody just comes in from anywhere?
This is a tick for us. We'll be here, just both of us. There's no one here again now.
Spirits could be here.
That's just a first story now.
So beautiful. Oh, wow.
Guys, the fact that we came for a quest to know what the sepulchre looks like doesn't mean we shouldn't listen to some good music. All girls, does it?
No, it doesn't. In fact, I want to dance to the tune of a recording that.
Come on, baby. I prefer Single Ladies by Beyonce.
Oh. Guys. That's not a good idea. We all know that this house has rules and regulations that we all must follow in order to avoid resurrecting evils.
Girls, did you hear everybody talking? I can only hear an empty drum beating.
I don't think there's an empty drum in this room. We all are aware about the issue of this house. How over 13 persons were killed just in an hour by the untuned evil girls, so I don't expect us to do any shit here.
According to the rules and regulations of this house, we are advised to stay away from anything that would dent our peace as long as our search lasts. Hope we understand that.
Of course.
I know the affirmative will always have something to say.
Don't call me that, okay?
Really, Harry. What will you do? Do you want my dog to bark at you?
Hey, guys. Come on. Not here, okay? Not now. We need to get out of here, Harry. Come on, let's do it.
Come on, I did it on purpose.
Ari, what are you doing here? I don't want more trouble from your cheerleader girlfriend and her stupid church rat friends. Stay away from me.
No, Kana, I can't stay away from you. Can't you see? I've tried something and it's not working, Kana.
Stay away from me. Go and make amends with your stupid church rat friends. Excuse me.
Kana! Kana! Kana!
So they call me JFF, nigga call me Jeff. Whoa. I'm balling on the football field, I don't need no rep. Yeah. I'm balling, I be looking so fried, so flesh.
Oh,
and
God. Hey, guys, take a look.
Look who we have here.
Yes, the badass want to smoke weed.
Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Wait, what are you thinking?
I think it's the perfect time to unlock the treasure box.
Wait, what you mean the sepulchre?
Of course, the sepulchre.
Sweet.
Hell no. Guys, come on. No. Action. Remember, we ain't supposed to do anything stupid. So, unlock any unwanted evil if there is any at all.
Come on, Stanley. When did you start becoming scared of little things? When you have the gun?
Really? A gun. Guys, a gun to something very, very spiritual. Guys, no, me, I'm not in for this shit at all. Knock me out.
Man, chill. Now let's go, please. Guys, hold him down. I want to cut his balls.
What? Please, my boss. No. You can take my hands. Not my balls. No, not the balls.
Quiet, bitch. God, shut up.
Listen to me, punk. You're supposed to know where the treasure box is, right?
Because
I want you to take us there now.
Bro, please. According to the history of the sepulchre, the treasures are supposed to be found inside the sepulchre. I'll take you there.
Now let's go.
Come on, get him up.
Give the book to me. You this shameless, low-life class girl. This is not high school. Or should I say, you shouldn't have come for this quest, if not because of Harry.
I'm not in for this bitchy, low lifestyle. Just give this book to my ex.
Did she just call you a bitch? And she's ordering you like a slave?
The next time you try this, those 50 hands of yours will never come down. Do you understand?
Come on there, hold your hands.
You know what? There's something about that girl.
From the way she just reacted now. Possessed and demonic. Pathetic and weird.
What happened?
Don't even call me.
I'm going to teach that girl a lesson, I swear. I'm going to teach her a lesson.
Give me out. You scared me.
Yeah. So this is what a sepulchre looks like. I thought people with vampires, werewolves, and other creepy things.
You are right, Jeff. But don't be fooled. We still haven't opened the sepulchre yet.
Yes, you're right. We still haven't opened the tomb yet. Guys, please give me a hand.
Alright, let's practice, baby. Okay.
Get the treasures! Get the ancient artifacts!
Come on, action! Guys, see, let's leave here before something stupid happens.
Shut up, Stanley! You always remain a fool forever! I'm out of here, please!
Look what you caused. Huh?
Punched me?
Oh, fuck, man.
Well, I'm not a fool. I'm not. ancient inscriptions. You're looking for fucking jewelry? This is fucking jewelry itself! Oh my god, I'm here alone. Really? I need to get out.
These people has risen the untamed evil. I have to hurry. I have to hurry and tell them to leave, else they will all die. Dust to dust, return to the lockdown. Ash to ash, dust to dust, return to the lockdown.
For goodness sake, Sally, what is this cleaner doing here?
You see, my name is Duke. Mr. Duke. I own this place. This place is my house. You see, when I heard you were coming here, so I had to come to save you. Yes, I had to come to save you, please. Some of you are walking the sleeping dog, the evil spirit of Rachel. And as it is right now, all of you might die, apart from one person. Where is she? Where is she?
Hello. What are you driving at? That every one of us here is going to die except her? What is so special about her? What is the difference between that low-life girl and every one of us here? She's not even as beautiful as we.
No, she's not.
And she's not even endowed and as worthy as we.
She's just a poor little brat.
You guys don't know what's happening here. This house is cursed. We are going to die.
God forbid. None of us is going to die. Besides, I don't want to believe this common cleaner of our school. You have to believe me. Rachel was my wife. Yes, she was my wife. You see, she will kill you all.
Really? This is funny. You mean you, the cleaner I know in my school, is the owner of this house?
Yes.
And that unknown creature is your wife? This is actually really funny. Harry, I'm out of here.
No, you don't have to go anywhere. Please come back. Listen, when I heard you were coming here, so I had to come save you. You don't have to go anywhere.
I'm not as crazy as anyone else to listen to your crap.
Exactly, babe.
And besides, this is not the reason why we came for this quest. Harry, let's leave here now.
Exactly.
Like now.
Sarah, sorry. I think I need to stay with Mr. Duke as he said. Yes, please.
Are you for real? Suit yourself. I'm out of here.
I'm so leaving the cleaner.
Why don't you people have to listen to this? But I am sure of what I'm saying.
Sarah, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Sarah, I said you should calm
Don't
down.
tell me to calm down. Did you see what Harry did inside?
Yes, I saw everything perfectly, and that's the more reason I'm saying you should calm down.
Harry humiliated me before that cleaner. Oh my god.
Yes. You see, our main focus is not Harry. It's all because of Colonel. Yes. But yes, I am. Did you see that? That was really white girl. I'm having a bad feeling about this. Let's go. Yes, I think she goes. Colonel! Colonel. Why is he putting on the white girl? Where is Sylvia? Sylvia, no, you can't. Sylvia! You can't do this to me. You're supposed to fight Ghana. Sylvia! 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 No, Sylvia, you can't do this to me. Sylvia, you can't do this to me. Sylvia! Ah! Sylvia! Sylvia, no, you can't do this to me now. Sylvia, you can't do this to me.
Are you sure you're okay, Abigail?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I've been wanting to tell you things all this while, but I've never had the chance to. I think I'm ready for this.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, for real. Yes, but
Okay, calm down. You need to get the door. Can you let me know?
no, there won't be need for that.
Are you sure? Wow.
Who are you?
I am the goddess of vengeance. I have waited all these years for the right choice to be made, and now we are close to it. Someone has to pay an ultimate price for our soul to be finally tamed. Now, choose between you, and you, whose life is to be laid down.
But Mr. Duke, I thought you said those words were the final element. Why alive?
Why alive, Mr. Duke? I know it will come to this. I didn't want to tell you, but don't worry. I have everything planned out myself. I surrender myself.
No!
Please take me.
No, Mr. Duke, you can't do that. We still need you.
Rachel, I'm sorry. I am sorry, please let me be the final element.
Oh, Mr. Duke, you can't do this to us.
No, please, we still need you, please. Please, we still need you.
Start me.